Chile suffered a magnitude 8.8 earthquake on February 27, 2010. Chile is an active country, and it was one of 17 earthquakes greater than magnitude 8 in the last 250 years, shown on this map. This one spawned a deadly tsunami. It also triggered at least 5 volcanoes to erupt. This is the story of an expedition with the Chilean Army Mountain Division to the 14,000-foot high peak of the erupting crater of Volcan Peteroa to collect samples. The work is conducted as part of the mission of Red Nacional de Emergencia and Cruz del Sur, local search and rescue organizations. The expedition was conducted in early spring, and winter snowfall had to be crossed before the climbing could begin.
Ya, ahora trata de salir tu monarca. Vamos, tírate para atrás,
Perfecto, muy bien.
We then established base camp and determined our route for the coming days. We began the climb at first light.
¿Cómo te fue?
Bien.
Bien.
We established a high camp in preparation for the final assault on the crater the next day.
And you can see the path that we're going to be taking tomorrow, that ice field, and then right about there is where we're going to go up. That's the sketchy part. There's this volcanic bomb that I found. It's got a perfect form. Came flying through the air from an eruption, como así, and then it landed right there on that part, and very aerodynamic. This I've never seen it. Okay, so we just made it to the edge of the crater. You can see the eruption going on in the background. A lot of vapor and a lot of ashes as well. Vamos! There it is. It's erupting right now. We're heading over the ice field to check it out. So as we get closer, there's a lot more bombs. This is a beauty. Beautiful cloud of acid vapor. Poisonous. No hay muchas oportunidades para ver un volcán en erupción.
A combination of acidic vapor and glassy ash were erupting from the volcano this day. No bombs. The heat from the volcano melted the nearby summit glacier, leaving these landforms. Okay, up until now the wind has been our friend, sending the ash and smoke and fumarolic activity away from us as we've been looking at the glacial condition and collecting some samples of bombs and ash. But now we're going to be collecting the
gray colored, and so we're going to be putting on our respirators and then heading into the sun. Yeah, we're on our way down, following the same line, trying to decide how far to get. We'll definitely get down to base camp, maybe a little further. Well, we're making our way down, and that ice field turned out to be a lot more dangerous than we thought. You can see the overhang. You can see our line coming along, and then we're right at the edge of that overhang. Wow.
We presented the results of our study to the local village, and in numerous talks given across the country, this one shown in the town of Rancagua. There was also other media coverage of the event, including radio interviews and several newspaper articles. This was one of the major objectives, to communicate the results to the local populations.